Hi everyone. Yesterday we have started with antifungal drugs. In that we have studied what is fungal infection, general information of fungal infection, then definition, classification, mechanism of action of all classes in fungal infection, and imidazole derivatives in details. So today we will cover the remaining part of azole derivatives, that is triazole derivatives, and the class antimetabolites. Let's start with fluconazole. First of all, contraindication. Fluconazole is contraindicated in the patient with low amount of magnesium and potassium in the blood, abnormal heart rhythm, that means arrhythmia, abnormal liver function test. Then it is also contraindicated in the pregnancy and chronic kidney diseases. Next, adverse effect of fluconazole. Fluconazole having several adverse effects such as headache, diarrhea, nausea, upset stomach, dizziness, stomach pain, vomiting, changes in the taste buds, taste of taste buds, and severe rashes. These are the adverse effects of fluconazole. Then, uses of fluconazole. Fluconazole is used to treat various fungal infection and yeast infection. As it comes from azole antifungals, it helps in stopping the growth of certain type of fungus. The next drug, itraconazole. Contraindication of itraconazole. The patient having hypersensitivity reaction with itraconazole, in that patient this drug is contraindicated. Then the patient who is already administering terfenadine, estomazole, cisapride is contraindicated with itraconazole. Then it is also contraindicated with the drug triazolam and midazolam. Then it is also contraindicated in the patient of pregnancy. Then common side effects of itraconazole. It includes headache, dizziness, skin rash, nausea, vomiting, upset of stomach, constipation, fever, muscles or joint pain, change in taste of taste buds, then hair loss, impotence, erection problems, and change in your menstrual periods. These are side effects of itraconazole. And uses of itraconazole. Itraconazole is used in various fungal infection, and it is used in various part of your body such as lungs, mouth, throat, toenail, and fingernail. Then next drug, voriconazole. Contraindication of voriconazole. The patient having hypersensitivity reaction with voriconazole, in that patient voriconazole is contraindicated. Then the patient who is already administering cisapride, pymoside or quinidine, sirolimus. In that patient, voriconazole is contraindicated due to the risk of serious adverse reaction. Then, voriconazole is contraindicated with rifampicin, that means rifampin, carbamazepine, long-acting barbiturates, ritonavir, rifabutin, ergot alkaloids, etc. Then adverse effect of voriconazole. It includes blurred vision, vision color changes, visual disturbances, and enhanced visual perception, fever, nausea, skin rash, vomiting, and chills. म्हणजे थंडी वाजून येणे. These are the adverse effects of voriconazole. Then uses. It is used in various fungal infection in adults and children of 2 years of age and older than 2 years of age of patient. Then invasive aspergillosis, that means a fungal infection that begins in the lungs and spread through the bloodstream to other organs. And esophageal candidiasis, it means a yeast infection that may cause white patching in the mouth and throat of the patient. Then next class, antimetabolites. In that, flucytosine. Contraindication. Contraindication includes renal diseases such as renal failure, renal impairment, then bone marrow suppression, hematological diseases, means disorder or disease of blood, hepatotoxicity, means liver damage, radiation therapy, electrolyte imbalance, hypokalemia. Hypokalemia means low level of potassium in the blood of patient. Then it is contraindicated in pregnancy and breastfeeding mothers. Then common side effect of flucytosine. It includes nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, diarrhea, headache, dizziness, numbness, tingling. Tingling means झणझण होणे, and burning pain means खूप जळजळ होणे in your hands and feet. Then dry mouth and skin rashes. Lastly, the uses of flucytosine. Flucytosine is used in various fungal infections such as blood, lung infection, heart, central nervous system, and urinary tract infection. It is used in combination therapy with amphotericin B for synergistic effect. I hope you understood all the things we have discussed today. Thank you. Thank you very much.